Hello everyone, my name is Rahmat Muayyad bin Yuasil and I'm excited to introduce TSH Resources Berhad. TSH Resources is a dynamic Malaysian company excelling in oil palm cultivation, hardwood production and sustainable energy solution. With global operation spanning Indonesia, Malaysia and the United States, they established a significant footprint in the industry. Their mission and value is a commitment to sustainable farming practices and social responsibility. Prioritas upholding ethical standard, robust governance and strict compliance to industry regulation. The ethical standard is to maintain a zero tolerance for corruption with a commitment to strong corporate governance.
TSH Resources runs several types of business including plantation, biointegration, milling and refinery and other business. For the plantation, palm oil plantation are not only in East Malaysia but also in Samudra and Kalimantan, Indonesia. In order to increase the income of the plantation business, use quality fertilizers so that the oil palm plant are always healthy. Next, biointegration. TSH Resources improve the quality of oil palm seed through R&D carried out by this company. High quality palm oil seed produce high quality palm oil. The third business is milling and refinery. TSH Resources has 6 factories with palm oil processing capacity. Among the factories are located in Sabah are Tawau, Lahadatu, and Sandakan. In Indonesia, located in Sumatra and Kalimantan. Other business carried out is the marketing of cocoa product, rubber cultivation, and as a manufacturer of engineered hardwood flow.
TSH Resources Berhad's statement of financial position for 2020 and 2029 reflect a stable asset composition with a notable decrease in property, plant and equipment. Overall, the firm maintains a well-capitalized position in 2020. However, TSH Resources Berhad 2020 and 2029 statement of financial position reveals substantial changes in asset dynamics, including significant reduction in property, plant and equipment, and write-off use assets. In short, TSH Resources Berhad's financial snapshot for 2021 highlights strategic shift, including increased investment in property, plant and equipment, sustained emphasis on agriculture, and operational strength reflected in higher liquidity. Overall, TSH Resources Berhad's financial adjustment indicates a blend of strategic planning, operational efficiency, and dynamic engagement with stakeholders.
For vertical statement, in 2022, TSH Resources Berhad saw a decline in non-current assets primarily due to a reduction in right-of-use assets. Current assets, in the other hand, increased in liquidity with a rise in cash and bank balance. This suggests a strategic move towards optimizing short-term financial commitments. Next is horizontal statement. The financial statement of TSH Resources Berhad for December 31, 2022 shows a decrease in total assets by RM 430,530 million, mainly due to a decreased property, plant and equipment, right-of-use assets, and biological assets. Cash and bank balance increased by 34.27%, indicating a focus on financial flexibility. The equity section decreased due to an increase in treasury shares, suggesting a shift in capital management tactics.
Financial ratio analysis. Let's start by examining the liquidity ratio. Current ratio is stood at 2.17 in 2022, indicating the company had 2.17 in current asset for every one of current liability. Quick ratio. This ratio including inventory as 1.52 in 2022, suggesting the company's liability to cover immediate liability without relying on inventory sales. Moving to solvency ratio, debt to equity ratio is ranged from 0.54 to 0.63 across the year, showcasing the moderate reliance on debt for financing. Debt ratio ranging between 0.42 to 0.45, indicating a significant portion of asset is financed by equity. Now explore profitability ratio. Net profit margin may vary between 5.96 to 7.88, indicate the percent of revenue convert into profit. Return on asset ranging from 3.24 to 4.11%, showcasing effectively asset were utilized to generate profit. Return on equity range from 9.51% to 12.23%, reflecting the efficiency of using shareholders' equity to generate profits.
So, in conclusion, TSH Resources Berhad emerged as a compelling investment choice, underpinned by its dynamic approach to the palm oil industry, commitment to the sustainability, and ethical business practices. So, the company diversified business strategy, financial resilience, and the positive trends in liquidity, profitability to make it a promising prospect within the agriculture sectors. So, with the global reach and the focus on responsible practices, TSH Resources Berhad will be aligned well with the contemporary investment preferences, showcasing a blend of sound financial management and a commitment to a long-term growth.